Here's the look I came up with using the Nudestix collaboration with Melissa Alatorre, and let's get started. Here's a little preview of what comes in the bag. So this container includes 6 pencils and a sharpener. We have the lip pencils and 4 eye pencils. I'm gonna go straight into the eye look. I'm wiping my eyelids because you don't need primer for this. I'm starting off with this shade called Taupe and placing it all over my lid. I'll be using these 2 flat brushes. I'm taking the Sephora flat brush and just blending the edges in. I'm placing a little bit more because it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. And I'm also running it through my bottom eyelash. Now I'm taking the shade Chocolate and I'll be focusing that on the outer edge of my eye. Now I'm taking the shade Nudity and I'm running that on the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them up, and these were really easy to blend in, and to be honest, I didn't even really have to use a brush. I wasn't sure that I needed it or not, so now I would just suggest just using your finger to blend it in because it's really easy to work with. I went ahead and used the Stila liner, and now I'm going back with that chocolate shade and making it a little darker this time and blending it in with that Sephora synthetic brush. I'm also placing that on my bottom lash line. I wanted it to be a little bit darker. This is my first time using this MAC mascara, and it definitely really darkened my lashes. It's called Giga Black Mascara, but I was hoping for more volume. These are the 3 shades I used on my eyes, and now for the lips I'm using the shade Purity and placing that on the back of my hand and dabbing it in with the Beauty Blender. I'm placing that same shade on my lips, and first I'm gonna outline and then fill it in. I'm setting my face with the Smashbox primer water, which I really like, and I'm dabbing that in to make sure it doesn't move throughout the day. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out, and this being the first time using Nudestix, everything was really easy to use, very blendable, and it lasted all day, which is awesome. Even though the lipstick is matte, it was really comfortable to wear and it lasted a long time. Thank you so much for watching.